Hi everyone, it's Holly Marie King, and we're doing one of our favorite games. I'm excited because it's called Zap Zap Zombie Cats, and it sounds epic. I don't know anything about these games, so we're going in blind. Sorry if it's a little too loud. I'm hoping that once I get into the game, they can turn it down, and then I'll say a little bit more after that. So here we go. I'm so excited. Phone is ringing.
Hey, I'm working. What's up?
Hey, you and Puck want to come over tonight? Or maybe visit me at work?
Sure. I may get out early today since I haven't had any customers.
Yeah, me either. There has to be some sort of epidemic.
Yeah, it's weird. I heard on the news that there's...
Uh-oh. Gotta go, Mitz. Say hi to Puck for me. Hey, boss. Just in time. Check out my new, display.
Porter, I told you to start sweeping, not build this monstrosity.
Well, I did start sweeping, but then I got bored. Besides, why clean when this place is dead? No one's in here.
Maybe if you cleaned up and stopped fooling around, we would have more customers.
Oh, jeez.
Looks like you don't have to worry, boss. We got a huge crowd of customers incoming.
Uh-oh.
Those don't seem like customers.
I like that the boss's name is Old Geezer. He doesn't get a name. He just gets to be Old Geezer.
Yo, what are those things? And why are they heading towards the store? Ah, crap!
Porter, what did I tell you about bringing those hooligans to the store?
Hey, Gramps, don't yell at me. I didn't invite them here.
I'm trying to shoot it.
Forget it. I'll fire you later for it. Right now, you need to get rid of those things and protect my store. Well, don't just sit around. Grab my gun from under the counter and do something.
Do we have it? Oh, whoa.
Whoa, this is quite the gun. There's no way this was yours. It's too cool.
You're probably ready
so
to use
excited.
their special abilities. Not that you have many. See that grenade? Throw that at them.
Okay, how do I... Will I wait till the zombies appear, press Q, or right-click to...
I already counted to 3. Now we're talking.
Oh, chill, dude.
Good. But you can't go throwing grenades around all willy-nilly. You're gonna have to wait a while until you find another one.
Is that like a boss cat? Oh! Ah! Oh my gosh. The mouse is so sensitive. Completed a wave! Hooray! I got $20. Move the camera by dragging the right mouse button or lost. It's cute and neat to rotate the camera and mouse button.
Those are weapon blueprints I saved from the war. Use those to build some turrets.
Where? Oh, okay. It's easy. Where are we supposed to build turrets? Left click and bring up the build menu. Oh, left click on Porter. Where's... Oh, on Porter. I was thinking what is it? So we can build...
What? I still have to pay for this crap? What happened to my employee discount?
It's the end of the world.
Ah, look at that baby go. Brings back so many memories.
Can I sell it? I want to sell it.
Look, goddamn zombies done tore my fence down.
Hey, I built that fence.
What fence? Here. I want to sell it. How do you sell it? Go here. Go one here. Go here. I'm learning. Sorry, excuse me. Okay, so we just needed to build
Now
the
that my
turrets.
fence is down, you'll have to move around and look at both ways.
It's freaking... Head swivels so much. Oh, what the heck is going on? Get your
Porter, I told you if you brought them hooligans back, I'd fire you.
Hey, we are not hooligans.
Are we hooligans?
Alright. This is great. Let's repeat this one. Machine gun turret, cannon turret. I might save it. Fuck. Money turret? So I give you like more money. At 20. It's 12. I could. Let's go here. That click on that. Build my business. Oh, I don't have enough. Dang it! Oh well. End of the day.
Good job, Porter. Never thought I'd say that. Anyway, here comes more. Love to stay in contact. You gotta catch these early bird specials. Good luck.
God, the camera's so hard
Thanks,
to
old
control.
man.
There we go. I was like, I hate this. Oh. Oh, that is. I guess we could put some over there. That wouldn't be too bad. I'm having fun. Excuse me. I like Puxton. Puck is my favorite. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Wow, you guys gave those hooligans the what for? Now go finish the job out back. I heard a big commotion out there.
Do we get to keep these schematics?
Sure, you can keep any that you find.
Do I get paid overtime for this?
Oh no, they, damaged the intercom system.
Oh my god.
Hey!
Come on, Porter.
If your boss is right, we better get ready to fight more of these things.
Puck is right. We have to put something between us and those freaks.
Well, there isn't a shortage of junk and garbage. I could use that to make us another tower.
Okay, well, I'm gonna end things here because, oh my god, this was fun. However, I don't want to play it for too long. But yeah, if this one I personally am adding back to my list of free games that I'm gonna come back to because it's freaking awesome. But what I'm gonna do with most of these games is, if I get 10 views, or yeah, 10 views and 5 likes, then I will add it back to the list because, you know, not a lot of people view mine, so yay. But yeah, anyway, hopefully I will see you guys next time. Bye.